Hey Beps, we're here again around Cebu for us to explore places where we can eat. So, namin diri sa KKD along sa Colon Street. So, let's go inside for us to get a taste of what KKD can offer here in Big Ear Tours. KKT STK is located in MJ Cuenco Avenue, near Fort San Pedro. So this is a perfect location after exploring Cebu City heritage places. This restaurant serves Filipino dish and I highly recommend their crispy pata and lumpia. Oh, unsa akong Jud Kobe pag-take sa photo? Wala akong Jud. Gubag-gubag na yun.
Yes!
Wala na, masip. Kasabay na kayo mo yun.
By the way guys, if you will have dessert or you are not avoiding sugar, I always recommend to try their halo-halo and leche flan. It's one of the best desserts I ever had when it comes to the Filipino desserts. It's really good. Leche flan is really creamy, while halo-halo, you cannot really taste or have a feeling of those ice chips. So I highly recommend it. Nasad niya mo ang hugot king. Mas makakita lagi mo nag-uyab. O judayo na yung reaction. Sige lang Cobs, kakita na kag-imo forever. Ay, naana di ay. So that's it, Maps, for our food trip. So if you happen to have any questions, feel free to put that in the comments below. And I hope you also do like, share, and of course subscribe to this channel for you not to miss any videos when it comes to my food trip, lifestyle, and travel. Again, this is JC for Big Ear Tours.